Hello ladies and gentlemen, this video is intended to show you how to begin the class with American literature. Okay, so let's get started. Consider yourselves brand new students and you have no idea how to begin. So the very best way to start is you log into your home page and you'll start to click through the different files over here on your left-hand navigation bar. And for the most part, this is your home page. If you go to Meet the Instructor, it has all of my information. Right, the video, so on and so forth. If you click on syllabus, this is going to tell you essentially what you're working on this term. Student resources. This has all kinds of helpful stuff. The advising center, the student center, writing and library is going to have information about plagiarism and such. And most importantly, obviously the technical center, but tutorial center. This has some fantastic videos that help you learn how to better use Blackboard. So if you're confused, can't quite figure it out, right? Global navigation in my Blackboard, how to check your grades, how to create threads, creating and editing a blog entry, assignments, using Blackboard, calendar, right? Just all these different videos. Now, this is in addition to the videos that I will also post, okay? We can go down to writing help. This is going to take us into Kaiser's the plagiarism overview. You've got your APA formatting style guide, lots and lots of resources. And is that it? Okay, that might be it for writing help. Kaiser Live, this is a link that you can use to go to our live sessions, right? You just keep clicking your way through, right? And this is basically where you go. These are the classes that we'll have, and you can click on them individually. If you want to watch a recording, you'll come over here to this drop-down menu, and you'll click on all previous sessions. Right now we don't have any previous sessions, so nothing's listed. Okay, and so you get to the Kaiser Live stuff, email, that's pretty clear. Now here, getting started. This is a fantastic place to begin. You're just going to read through all of this information because it's going to help you get your mind around what you're about to do. You know what books you need to purchase. Most importantly, you need to complete the course certification and syllabus acknowledgement. Right, you're going to have a few things that you have to watch and look at. Technically, I cannot accept any work until you have completed this. The pretest, this also needs to be completed by Sunday at 11:59, and you can see over here, this is mandatory, and you want to take care of that. Ally is a new program we're using that makes sure that everything that is posted is available in different formats. So anytime you see the little A in the download button, you can click on that and pull it up in a different format. Student Cafe is a discussion board where you can post questions to each other and kind of talk about stuff. The Ask Questions board is one that you post questions for me, and I check that every day to make sure that your questions are being asked if it's something that you think could pertain to the entire group, right? And so now that you've gone through all of that and you've filled out the different paperwork, we're going to click on week 1. Week 1 is the same as this week 1 over here in the left-hand navigation bar. Like I said, this is going to be your sort of go-to spot. Again, week 1 overview, we have all the overview materials. This is going to be the list of the readings. Now, if you don't have your book yet, all you need to do is type in the author's name, the title of whatever it is, and then full text or PDF. And something will pop up. So what you're looking for is The Way to Wealth, right? Biography, Volume 1. This is you're looking for these particular points. Okay. This is the introduction. This is your first discussion post. Again, please make sure that you always read the directions really carefully. So we have, this is the introduction where you're talking about yourself and your understanding of the American dream, because that's pretty much the topic we're going to deal with for the entire term. And then here, you're going to have the dream lecture and then your acknowledgement, the literary analysis tools. You go into, here's our second discussion. Now keep in mind that you need, and here's the link for our live session. This is another way to get to the live sessions. That some of these are going to have quizzes attached to them. So when you email me and you say that you haven't been able to find the quiz, my understanding is that you didn't read through the modules, because the quizzes are going to often be at the end of the module. Once you go through all the information, you fill out your quiz. Again, the same thing here with literary terms and that quiz, and then your creative writing assignment, and that should bring us The Student Cafe, again, this is another link. You saw the first one. There'll be a link in each week. This is where you have conversations with your classmates. Ask questions is where you ask me questions. And then weekly progress is to make sure that you have completed all of the work you were supposed to. And you'll notice that you can check your grades here in weekly progress, or you can go to My Grades. Where is it? Right here. Click on My Grades. It's going to take you in here, and so it'll tell you if you've turned it in or it's been graded, and then once it has been graded, you'll see the grades here. Now, please, I encourage you to go back into it and read the comments. Every time you hand in a written assignment, I will leave comments. And what you'll see is a highlighted section, and you just click on the highlighted section and it will show you the comment. Okie doke. So that should be pretty much enough to get you guys started. Please keep an eye out for other videos about how to create a discussion thread and how to submit your work and check your grades. All right. Thank you.